Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI just 5 days ago, on May the 9th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $13.3. And at this very point, my main assumption was that this movement to the upside is a potential B wave, and B wave might be quite unpredictable wave. It might hit even previous swing high and even break it to the upside. And guys, I showed you that potentially we might retest this previous swing high, and take a look right here. This is, wait a second, this is the actual SOFI's price action. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset had a tiny retracement, and it hit this previous swing high to the tick and had a reaction. Let me show you this in details. As you can see, we had just a wick above this range, and then it goes to the downside. And as you can see on the pre-market hours, it down by 0.57%, and potentially we are staying in line with my forecast, and in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have 3 tiers. It is Discord Access tier, Safe Haven, and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord Access. If you want me to cover your personal position, and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these 2 tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me, where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that, guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group, I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG, here is JDR, KLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week, and all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's update this chart a little bit. Potentially this might be the top of our B wave, and in just several minutes I will show you how deep the bottom of the C wave might land. But for now, let's take a look at some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay your attention to the Travis Twitter account. He is a long-term bull on SOFI, and he explains just recently, basically several hours ago, several updates from JP Morgan. And let me quote you this one by one. SOFI CEO Anthony Noto wants 50 million members by 2030. SOFI would need to add 2 million net new members per quarter for the next 5 years. 20 quarters, 40 million new members, from 11 million to 50 million by 2030. Here are 9 other things you might have missed from their JP Morgan fireside chat. And let me quote you even more. Q1 was SOFI's best engagement quarter ever, and for the first time the Invest product is profitable on a variable basis. It's also an area they are actively investing in. Anthony Noto on Invest. We can rely step on the gas. Another statement. How SOFI is leveraging AI internally. AML fraud detection and customer support, but not for underwriting. Anthony Noto said, "You don't have to generate any artificial information to do underwriting." Next one, Plus equals hidden growth engine. Once people join SOFI Plus, they suddenly buy into third or fourth products. That's kind of shocking. They weren't taking out those products until they signed up. Remember, Nota wants 3 products per member by 2030, and this will help a lot. SOFI's 2025 crypto strategy goes beyond trading, not just buy and sell and hold. SOFI is exploring crypto-backed lending, tech infrastructure opportunities, investment product integration, looking across all of our SOFI businesses. Next one, $100 billion of rejected loans equals LPB TAM. Total addressable market. SOFI rejects roughly $100 billion in loan apps per year. LPB turns those into partner-sold loans, monetizing the demand they can't fulfill. Next one, fee-based revenue strategy in motion. Fee revenue in Q1 was about 40% of our annualized revenue. We want that to get up to 60 and 70%. LPB, SOFI Pay, and Tech Platform are the levers. Next one. SOFI Pay launch incoming. Noto hinted hard. We have some really significant opportunities under the umbrella of Pay. Daily self-serve wires and more. This could be a new product category. And guys, in my opinion, this is the most important update, because if they launch new products that is successful for other competitors, this means SOFI might drastically improve their fundamentals, and this news alone might drive the price of SOFI much higher. Next one, expanded 2026 EPS guidance range justification. SOFI 2026 EPS range from $0.55 to $0.8. 55 cents equals growth-heavy reinvestment mode. 80 cents equals growth slows, margin expands. Noto, it's about capital flexibility. And guys, I have to admit that, yes, in my opinion, SOFI is a very promising company. And if you take a look on the forecast, on the consensus analyst price target, according to TipRanks, you can see it's set at $14.05. It is pretty much our current price. But let me show you that we have several updates, and the majority of these updates are higher than our current price, and definitely we have to anticipate even more updates within foreseeable future when SOFI will add their new products and they will start to achieve their goals. And guys, one of the signs of its bullishness is the list of institutional investors. First of all, I want to pay attention to this chart. As you can see, it is the institutional ownership of SOFI Technologies. We have just a small decline in this in the number of institutional investors who want to hold SOFI in their investment portfolios. But at the same time, guys, if you take a look at the most recent filings right here, if you take a look on the biggest positions, for example, First Trust Advisors added to their position more than 21%, and they hold more than $38 million. Next one, let me show you. So one company, Jane Street Group, reduced its position by 18.8%, and they still hold $56.5 million. And this reduction is an exception among this list. You can see that Susquehanna International added 59% to their position, and for now they hold more than $114 million in SOFI. So, Group 1 Trading added 61% to their position, and they hold $20.2 million. Next one, For Capital added 40%. 40.56%, and they hold almost $11 million in SOFI. And this list is pretty much unstoppable. 186% was added by Rockefeller Capital Management, and they hold almost $20 million. And yes, another Trexcant Investment added 66.14%, and they hold almost $12 million. If you can see this reduction, this position is just $178,000. You can see that the big players are heavily buying SOFI stock, and that is why, guys, we can rely on its bullishness in the long-term perspective. So, And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if you zoom out to a daily time frame, you can see that SOFI, as I mentioned previously, has a perfect contender of its trend reversal that was established on at the very beginning of April, on April the 7th of this year. And since then, SOFI gained about 61% to its value. And let me zoom into hourly time frame. Let me show you my breakdown. According to Elliott wave theory, potentially we might have this is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And this is a retracement of the this is the part of the retracement. This is just an A wave. This potentially contender to be a B wave, and we are seeking the bottom of the C wave. And guys, if B wave retests its previous swing high, this means C wave shouldn't be the lowest, and most likely it will be a double bottom pattern, or it will be even shorter than this bottom. If this level holds, if the level of around $12 holds, we will see next movement to the upside that will potentially even retest its all-time high at it is not an all-time high. Wait a second, let's zoom out. No, it is not its all-time high. It is its swing high at wait a second, at $18.42 somewhere here. And guys, another potential breakdown is following, and I don't like it, and I will explain you why I don't like it. Potentially this could be the A wave, not the A wave, but it might be the first wave. This is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth double top pattern. Why I don't like this pattern? Because this triangle, this formation, usually appears in the fourth wave, and it is very rarely when you can find it on the second wave. That is why I don't like this this breakdown, and that is why I still stand on my position that potentially we have to see the next leg to the downside to complete its C wave. And I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.